Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to send a calendar invite in Gmail. So you cannot do it in the application of Google Calendar itself. Instead, you need to use your browser. So open your browser and search for Google Calendar and open the page Google Calendar. And here the very important thing that you need to switch to desktop version. To do that, you see here desktop and click it. And here you see that we have switched to desktop version. So on the left hand side you see my calendars, and for example I want to share this calendar with someone, so tap on it and here click three dots button and then choose settings and sharing, and here in the section shared with you need to press add people and groups, and here start typing the email address of the person or their name of the person who you want to share your calendar with. And here are some permissions. This is basically, in simple words, this is the permissions. So whether you want to that person to be able just to view your calendar, or you want to allow that person to make some changes to your calendar. And then press send button, and this person will receive to their Gmail address a notification whether you want to whether that person wants to accept the invitation and look and add that calendar. And they can choose whether yes or no. So that's basically how you can send a calendar invite in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.